Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your dress using Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the example. I made this woman wearing this wedding dress and I'm going to show you how you can change your dress. Okay, I'm going to go to the Gemini. First of all, you can visit gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini app and then you're going to choose Nino Banana tool. Okay, we're going to use Nino Banana in Gemini to change our dress. And you're going to upload your photo. Okay, I'm going to upload, for example, this photo. And then for the dress, I'm going to choose this dress. Alright, and then we're going to upload the photos. And then you can add this prompt, guys. You can add this prompt. And then you can send the prompt and also the photos to Gemini. And the AI will help you to change your dress according to the dress that you have uploaded. Okay, it's still loading. Alright, and this is the result. Yeah, it looks so cool and so gorgeous. And if you want to download it, just click on the download icon and then the photo will be saved to your device. You can select this download icon. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change your dress using Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.